Yoga is derived from the root Sanskrit word yuj, which means union. Though yoga is thought to be a set of physical exercises, asanas, and breath control pranayama, it is only superficial aspect of this science. The real goal of yoga is to bring harmony between mind and body and promote the union of individual consciousness with the universal consciousness. In the yogic culture, Shiv is considered the Adi Yogi or the first yogi who propounded yoga as a science to his seven disciples known as Saptrishis. These enlightened beings were then sent to different parts of the world, of whom Agastya Muni traveled across the Indian subcontinent to craft the culture of India as a yogic way of life. Presence of yoga in ancient India is supported by discovery of several seals and fossil remains of Indus-Saraswati civilization. Presence of yoga is also available in folk traditions, Ved and Upanishads, Buddhist and Jain traditions, epics of Mahabharata and Ramayana, and mystical traditions of South Asia, where yoga was being practiced under the direct guidance of a guru. Six branches of yoga are Raj Yoga, path of meditation; Gyan Yoga, path of knowledge through scriptures; Bhakti Yoga, path of devotion and surrender to God; Hatha Yoga, practicing asanas and using the body for self-transformation; Karma Yoga, yoga of action without attachment; Mantra Yoga, yoga of sound and repetition of mantras. Myth: the practice of yoga is restricted to Hatha Yoga and asanas. Fact: Hatha Yoga is for purifying the body and mind for higher spiritual practices. Myth: yoga belongs to only one religion. Fact: yoga and tantra were once a popular culture throughout the world. Myth: yoga is only for health and fitness. Fact: the real purpose of yoga is harmonizing oneself with the universe. Eight limbs of yoga according to Patanjali Yoga Sutras are Yam, social ethics for interaction with community; Niyam, personal practices for own self; Asanas, physical exercises; Pranayam, breathing exercises; Pratyahar, withdrawal of senses; Dharan, concentration; Dhyan, meditation; Samadhi, union with God. The yams are concerned with the world around us and our interaction with it. The five yams are ahimsa, avoiding thoughts or actions that might harm others, including nature; asteya, abstention from stealing; satya, truthfulness; brahmacharya, regulation of procreation drive for both celibates and householders; and aparigraha, freedom from greed and luxuries. The niyams refer to duties directed towards us, inner observances. The five niyams are shauch, keeping yourself and environment clean; santosh, practice being a content and joyful person for the benefit of all; tapas, dedication to the practice of yoga; swadhyay, study of the self through the study of yogic scriptures and philosophy; ishwar pranidhan, devotion to God. An asana is a body posture that is performed to benefit the health and mind. The asanas are not mere stretching exercises, but they open the energy channels, nadis, and psychic centers, chakras of the body, while increasing flexibility of the spine, strengthening bones, and stimulating the circulatory and immune systems. The 12 basic asanas that can be practiced are shown in the picture. Pranayama is the ancient practice of controlling breath in which a person controls the time, duration, and frequency of every breath and hold. The goal of pranayama is to connect the body and mind and facilitate flow of life energy of prana in the body. Five types of pranayama are Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, Anlom Vilom, Brahmari, and Ujjayi. Pratyahara or withdrawal of senses is a powerful way to develop self-control, which allows the practitioner to relax and calm the mind, thereby creating optimal conditions for self-realization. The techniques of Pratyahara are deep and slow breathing, Yog Mudra, Yoni Mudra, and Shavasana, the corpse pose. The first five limbs are important preparatory measures to be able to perform internal meditation-based steps of Dharan, Dhyan, and Samadhi. Dharan or concentration is focusing the mind on breath, sound, object, or idea. Dhyan is a continuous, uninterrupted flow of attention towards the object of meditation. Samadhi is reaching spiritual enlightenment. Yoga is a way of life. It involves sattvic diet, positive thinking, spiritual study, healthy relationships, silent meditation, and selfless service. A yogic lifestyle does not mean renunciation or shedding family responsibilities. A yogi maintains mental equilibrium and celebrates the spirit of love through a very deep and authentic spiritual connection with each other. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Remember to tap the bell icon to receive notifications.